What is the cost of a dental implant? Why are there so many brands? When you visit a dentist and he suggests you to go with a dental implant, he will also tell you that there are different brands and few are premium and few are economical. So let us understand with an example why there is a difference between these premium brands and economical brands. So you can see the comparison ahead in the video, and see this video till the end, and it will give you clarity which implant system is right for you and in which conditions which type of brands are better. Hi, I'm Dr. Suhaas, dental implantologist, chief dental surgeon, Eledent Hospitals, Banjara Hills. We also have branches in Kukatpalli, Kondapur and Manikonda. So before we start, I want to give a disclaimer. This is not a brand promotion or brand endorsement. I am simply using Zimmer or Zimvi TSV and Alpha Bio spiral implants as a examples just to illustrate the difference between premium and economical dental implant systems. And the information presented is based on the respective companies' claims from their official websites only. Now, when patient asks what sets premium dental implants apart from the economical ones, it's more than just the price tag. Let's explore the key contrasts using Zimvi and Alpha Bio as our references. Zimvi TSV, tapered screw vent, a premium implant system from USA, is known for its high academical credibility and global clinical usage. It is FDA approved, CE approved and ISO certified with more than 20 years of documented success. On the other hand, Alpha Bio Spiral is an Israeli budget friendly option which gained popularity in private clinics. It also carries CE and ISO certifications, but there are only few FDA approvals. When it comes to design, Zimvi features a tapered screw and body with a variable thread pitch and micro threads near the top, which is very good for stability. And the surface coating which is there on Zimvi is MTX surface, which is a blend of grit blasting and acid etching, and which enhances bone integration. While if we compare it with Alpha Bio Spiral, in contrast, has more aggressive threads in the design, which is great for soft bone integration. And the coating in Alpha Bio Spiral is called nanotech surface, which is dual acid etched, which helps us achieve a stronger primary stability. So there are technical terms in this comparison, this part of the comparison. It is basically about the design of the implant and coatings which are there. So clearly Zimvi has better surface coating and better micro thread design compared to Alpha Bio, which also has a good surface, but there is definitely manufacturing differences which is going to be there. Next part, let us compare the prosthetic connection. Zimvi has an internal hex and a conical seal, which is built for precision and platform switching. You can check for these terms if you are interested to understand in detail about these implants. This video might also be useful for the doctors or fellow dentists who wants to understand in detail. So compared to the Zimvi, Alpha Bio uses an internal hex which is slightly looser in tolerance, though it is widely compatible with third party systems. Alpha Bio is generally compatible with third party components, Zimvi is not. So that shows the versatility. And next we go to the size options that are available. So we know that implant has to be placed in a good sound bone. So Zimvi has implants from 3.7 to 6 mm in diameter, and length goes as high as 16 mm, while Alpha Bio has 3.2 to 5.3 mm, and it has short implants also, which is just 6 mm. Next, when it comes to prosthetic components, Zimvi supports full digital workflow with extensive CAD/CAM options and high quality stock abutments. Compared to that, Alpha Bio's range of implants are functional with good third party compatibility, which are very good for budget friendly options. Now coming to the cost is a major differentiator. A single Zimvi implant may range anywhere between $250 to $350 in the US market, and with abutments, which will be an additional $800 to $200. So it requires high-end modular surgical kit. Now comparing this with Alpha Bio, the implant will range somewhere between $70 to $110, and the abutment is around $30 to $80, depending upon the type of abutment. Abutment is the connection which is given on top of implant, on top of which the final teeth sits. And the kit for Alpha Bio is quite simple. Clinically, both implants provide excellent primary stability. Coming to the stability, but Zimvi is preferred in complex cases like full arch restorations, grafted sites, and aesthetic zones. Alpha Bio works beautifully in clinic general practice cases, especially in soft bone and immediate loading cases. To summarize premium implants, Zimvi offers engineering precision, long-term evidence, and extensive prosthetic options, ideal for high demand and aesthetic cases. Economical implants like Alpha Bio strike a balance between functionality, affordability, and ideal for routine cases. Choosing the right implant isn't about which brand is better, it is about what suits the patient's needs, the bone condition, long term goals. Always weigh the clinical scenario, prosthetic needs, and patient budget before making the decision. Although I will like to conclude by saying that your doctor will be the best person to suggest you with the right option suitable for your condition. So, for understanding your particular condition, if you are interested in dental implants, you can visit us at any of our clinics, Banjara Hills. We also have branches in Kukatpalli, Kondapur, and Manikonda.